Statement, the member from Thornhill.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And I rise today to commemorate Yom HaShoah, or Holocaust Remembrance Day. Yom HaShoah takes place every year on the 27th day of the Jewish month of Nisan. This year, that day is today. It is a day dedicated to the memory of the victims of the Holocaust, a day of great significance, especially in my riding of Thornhill, which is home to the largest Jewish community in Ontario. We know that the Holocaust was the largest mass genocide of the 20th century, and sadly, it was neither the only nor the last genocide the world has experienced since that time. And this is another important reason why we must take the time each year to remember the victims of that atrocity, especially as the years go by and the number of Holocaust survivors diminishes. It falls to all of us to keep the memory of the victims alive. That's why in 1998, my colleague, PC colleague, Ted Chudley, introduced a private member's bill to annually recognize Yom HaShoah. That's why today, Ontario schools and post-secondary institutions are holding assemblies, lectures, and ceremonies dedicated to those who suffered the horrors of that tragedy. And that's why many of us will attend events in our own ridings or others to mark this day of remembrance tonight. Each year, Yom HaShoah helps us to pass the memory of Holocaust victims on to future generations so that they learn the lessons of history, so that they guard against the hatred, fear, and intolerance that fueled the Nazi attempt to annihilate the Jews, Gypsies, and minorities of Europe, so that the world never forgets. It is the very least that we can do to honor the memories of those who perished in the single greatest man-made tragedy the modern world has ever witnessed. Thank you, Speaker.